Do you have an empty space, an empty backyard, an empty room somewhere? Do you have an unfinished building? To some, this unfinished building may seem like a lost venture, may seem like a waste of resources, because basically what are you going to do with it? But this farmer chose not to focus on the fact that the building is unfinished. He chose that while the dream of building the house had temporarily been paused, but the dream of keeping goats can be realized in the same space. And this is the farmer that we are going to highlight today. We can look at some of the goats that he has. He has a number of dairy goats. You can look at just the udder of this goat. It's very massive. It's very massive. Basically shows that it's a dairy goat. And from that one goat, I do not know the exact breed of the goat, but it looks like a mixture of maybe a German Alpine, a cross of a German Alpine. You can look at it. From that one goat, he gets at least 2 liters of milk. That's daily. That's milking in the morning and in the evening. For the kids, they are fed with cow's milk, because cow's milk is a bit cheaper compared to goat's milk. A liter will go for 60 Kenya shillings, while goat milk, a liter will go for 200 Kenya shillings. You can look at the building. It's really unfinished. You can look at this massive goat. In the comment section, do you know the breed? Which breed is this? I do not know the exact breed. You can see it's a very massive male. So what are the benefits of zero grazing? Because this farmer is doing zero grazing. What are the benefits of zero grazing your goats? First of all, they do add on weight faster because they are not burning a lot of calories moving from place to place. Number 2, your goats are like in a quarantine state. They do not interact with other goats. So basically the spread of diseases, these airborne diseases, is limited. So basically you have virtually control to the health of your goats. You also reduce risks of your goats being stolen, or your goats entering into other people's property or farms, which can cause losses to you as a farmer. So basically those are some of the advantages. You have control over your project. You can admire that male. Just look at it. It's very big. It's very big. It's very big. You can look at the kids. You can look at the kids. Very massive. And this is what we as farmers should always be looking up to. Should be looking forward to. If we have space, if you have somewhere, then let's implement a project. Let's not just have fallow land. Let's not have spaces that are not utilized. I want us to look at this. It looks like a Saanen, a young male, a young Saanen goat. You can see the front of the house, just an unfinished piece, an unfinished building, but it's serving a purpose. It's now a goat's house. So basically we can use these spaces to our benefit. Thank you.